Acastasia gangetica is a species of plant in the family Acanthaceae. It is commonly known as the Chinese violet, coromandel, or creeping foxglove. In South Africa, this plant may simply be called Acastasia. Acastasia gangetica. Gangetica belongs to the family Acanthaceae. It is used to treat hypertension, rheumatism, asthma, diabetes mellitus, and as an anthelmintic in South Africa, India, Cameroon, Nigeria, and Kenya respectively. The whole plant is antibacterial, anti-inflammatory, antipyretic, and depurative. It is used internally in the treatment of boils, carbuncles, snakebite. Chinese violet, also known as creeping foxglove or Latin Acastasia gangetica, is native to India, Southeast Asia, and Africa, but highly invasive in Hawaii. This wild food can be eaten raw or cooked and has edible leaves, flowers, and stalks.